In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert a Figma design into HTML, CSS, and then turn it into a full WordPress site. Whether you're a designer bringing your visuals to life, a developer trying to streamline your workflow, or simply someone who wants full control over how a website looks and feels, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. And the best part? First things first, open your web browser and visit figma.com. Sign into your account. Once you're logged in, open the design file you want to convert. This file will act as the blueprint for the WordPress site you're about to build, so make sure everything is organized and ready to go. With your design open, click the main menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. This menu gives you access to all the essential tools Figma has to offer. From here, click on Plugins. This will open a sidebar where you can see all your installed plugins. Since we're exporting to WordPress, click on Manage Plugins so you can search for the tools you need. Next, type Figma to WordPress into the search bar. You should see a plugin specifically designed to convert Figma designs into WordPress-friendly components. Click on it to explore its features and make sure it fits what you're looking for. Once you're confident it's the right tool, go ahead and click Run. This begins the conversion process and brings your static design one step closer to becoming a living WordPress website. At this stage, the plugin will ask you to enter your email address. This is usually needed so it can send you conversion details, updates, or any generated files. After entering your email, click Start Now to launch the transformation. The plugin will begin translating your design elements into components that WordPress can understand. If at any point you feel unsure, or you want to dig deeper into specific features, click on the Tutorials option inside the plugin. These built-in guides provide extra explanations and can be extremely helpful if you want a more detailed walkthrough. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to convert your Figma design into HTML, CSS, and a complete WordPress Elementor build with confidence and clarity. This process not only helps you recreate your design perfectly, but also teaches you how to bring any creative idea into a fully functional website. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you out.